guys? It's Perkin from Steady Trades. In this video, we're going to go over volume. So volume is a super simple and very important indicator for trading. Volume is the total quantity of shares or contracts traded for a specific security. It can be measured on any type of security traded during a trading day. Volume is updated every second, showing traders and investors the amount of money switching hands during the day within a security. Traders use various trading factors and technical analysis, but volume is one of the simplest and most important technical factors analyzed by all traders when considering market trades. So what you need to know about volume. Stocks or contracts with low volume can be difficult to sell because there may be little buying interest. Additionally, low volume stocks can be quite volatile because the spread between the ask and bid price tends to be wider. If you don't know what the ask and bid is, check out our video on that. Stocks and contracts with a high volume and a rising price are generally easier to sell at a desirable price. So now that we got the basics out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and jump into some examples of how volume can help traders when trading. So the bars right here at the bottom of the screen are the volume bars. Bigger bars indicate more shares being bought or sold. The red bars indicate selling and the green bars indicate buying. As you can see, it's super straightforward. So traders will watch for volume spikes to the upside or downside to enter trades. Right here you can see the volume is relatively flat for a while, and then it spikes. This jump in volume is a bullish indicator traders may use as an entry confirmation. The first spike in volume can be a sign for a big move to the upside. So a trader might have entered on this spike of volume, and as you can see, this is how it played out here. Super straightforward and simple. Can't get much simpler than this for a trading indicator. Now we're going to hop into an example of volume helping you enter to the downside. So here's a bearish example. You can see out of the open, of course, the first candle, there's going to be a lot of volume, and then the volume kind of flattens out a little. It's some choppy movement at the open. And then right here, this is a massive selling candle. Look at this wick. So right here, traders may use this as a confirmation to enter puts to the downside. You can see how it played out. And just scrolling through the chart, you can see the massive volume spikes usually play out. So yeah, this indicator is super simple and it is a must know when trading. I don't know a single trader that doesn't use volume when entering trades, or at least considers it. So hopefully this video helped you understand what volume is and how to use it when trading. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos.